Yes, in fact, for the music festival also we have already made plans, and it will be for 3 days as notified by the state.
So coastal belt is always traffic congestion is there on the what
Every new year.
There is
Every year.
limited
Baga.
scope in the sense that the road surface is very narrow. So that cannot be when with the same road surface, large number of vehicles are moving. The pace of the movement will automatically be slow because on the same road 20 vehicles are going, but during the year, during the New Year celebration or music, 2000 vehicles pass in a gap of say 15 minutes. So that will definitely slow down the, unless we have alternate roads from where we can take the excess traffic, but that scope at present is limited because most of the areas are villages and residential areas, and the structure of the residence is also such that some of the houses open right on the road. So there is no pedestrian footpaths also.
So in Panjim smart city works are going on. So it will add to traffic woes. Do you think?
There would be some problems, but when we make traffic movement plans, we take that into consideration, and we make sure that the motorists are not caused any inconvenience.
So do you have enough staff for this Goa police burst traffic and everywhere?
तो ट्रैफिक में नॉर्मल रूटीन में स्टाफ इज सफिशिएंट, बट whenever there are extraordinary events, the traffic staff is provided staff from other units also. Even the recruits who are undergoing training, they are also deployed, and last year also in the national games also they were deployed. This time also we will be deployed.
So for Sunburn EDM Festival, any updates? Security, Sunburn.
No, because wherever there are large number of people, so it is the bounden duty of police department to make arrangements so that there is a orderly movement and there is no stampede, and at the same time there are no crimes committed by the antisocial elements. So considering all these factors, the arrangements are put into place.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.